In today's video, we're talking about the most golden opportunity that comes around once a year, every year. It is the most magical time of the year. You've guessed it, it's when the big man comes down your chimney. It is all about Christmas and Q4. Welcome back everyone to the channel. This video is just a quick one to let you know, if you haven't already, now is the time to start preparing for Christmas. Q4, it's on the mind. We're in Q4. It is now just turned October. We're in Q4. It is time for the big push. This is where most sellers will make their money for the entire year. It has the capabilities to really drive your year growth within this short period of 3 months. The rush to Christmas is incredible, but there is things you need to know. And the first thing is, if you haven't already, start planning exactly how much inventory you're going to ship. Amazon historically will become a lot slower as it gets to Christmas. They're putting out emails. If you've checked your emails folders, you will find emails they're saying about inventory. Restock this. This is how long it'll take to refill your inventory. Shipments are starting to come slower. Postal services will get busier. All of these things will hinder your sales, so don't leave yourself short. You're better at shipping as much inventory out of your warehouses or out of your garage or your home as possible. In other videos, we talk about keeping some of your inventory in your house. Don't ship it in. This is going to get mental if this is your first time going for Q4. I remember my first Q4 a few years ago. It was insane. I just went, look at the amount of friggin' sales I have done here, and doubled. Everything just went up massively. But then January came and it sold off. So you want to be timing this as best you can. You want to ship as much inventory and know that come, say, even the second week of December, that's it. Cut it off. Do not be shipping in the same quantity. Think about, will toys sell as well in January? Likelihood is no. Everyone around the world will be spending all their money on toys and gifts and body sets and gift sets and confectionery goods like box sets, chocolate sets, Christmas items. These things will sell so well leading up to Christmas, but come sort of second week before Christmas, it's gonna die off, and then January is just game over. But let's not get all doom and gloom about the January blues. There is a positive to it, which we'll talk about in other videos, but ideally you just take a lot of time off, relax, and sort of recharge the batteries. The next 3 months, you should be putting foot to the floor. We're going to be sharing some cracking deals in our deal group that will be specific for Christmas. They will be about bundles and discounts, and stores will run big discount drives, Black Friday, all these things are to come up. Use all of this to your advantage for retail and online arbitrage. For those that are in wholesale, the wholesale course will be coming out any moment now. We're hoping sort of the second week of October. I know we said it would be out in July, August, September. It's just getting it completely right. We're working on a whole 200 list of wholesalers. We've asked people in the free Telegram group to message us if they're interested. We're going to give everyone that is showing interest early 40% off the course price. And those that don't get in early won't get that discount. So make sure you're joining the free deal group initially, checking out our retail and online deals. And if you are interested, it does no harm just to message us to say you want the free discount. You don't have to purchase it if you don't, but at least get in there and register your interest. For those that are already in wholesale or have a big connection to get big supplies, get those supplies rolling now. Get them in. You don't want any hiccups. Get it all in and get it all shipped in to Amazon's warehouses. I predominantly do toys. Toys is my bag. I enjoy toys, but I also do cosmetics, perfume, makeup, stuff like that. I like those types of things. They sell well, usually good ROI, and they're things that I'm passionate about. My wife uses makeups and all this, so she kind of knows what's on trend. And then my kids is the toy thing. I don't usually do electronics and all those types of things. So this is really exciting time for me because people give body sets, gift sets, obviously toys, all this. So this is a huge period. I'm really excited about making money. I'm definitely going to beat last year. Almost the whole year has led up to this point. I've been thinking about my inventory. I've been doing it for months. We've been thinking about it, leading it, pushing it. Can't wait to start getting the discounts in from the likes of Tesco's and Asda. We'll be sharing all of these types of leads in our deal group. Again, free links down below if you want to get into it. Use any of our affiliate links. You not only get free money and discount codes, you will actually get free access. There is nobody doing anything better than us in terms of the affiliate links. But failing that, if you just want to get into it now, it's £35 a month. We are going to be putting up our prices. So take advantage of all of this fast growing community that we have while the prices are low. So take advantage of the fastest growing community and join Deal Hunters. But more importantly, get started, guys. Q4, this is where you make money. This is where the businesses go to the top. It's not just Amazon, it's any type of business. Q4, Christmas, let's go. The Santa rally never ends, baby. I'll catch you in the next video. Please like and subscribe, and I will chat to you all soon.